So I found this brand at the Niger Brand Chic Fair. It's an immunity boost mix. All I basically need to do is take a teaspoon and just add it into the cup of kunu aya, which is popularly known as tiger nut drink. Mix well and drink it.
Good morning, guys. So the time right now is past 11. I don't even know what happened, but then in my mind I thought I was going to wake up by 8, honestly, and only for me to get up and look at the time and voila, 11 o'clock. Because I don't even know how that happened. I don't know if it was you remember I took that immune booster mix here just to make me sleep. I wouldn't say it worked because I couldn't sleep as at 12. I just couldn't sleep. I don't know, my mind was just pacing up and down, and I had to like go to chat with Messi for a while in parlor, and we stayed up till like past 1. I think it was already till 2. Like, let's just go and sleep. So yeah, finally I slept by till 2. And would you guys say the immune booster works? Because I mean, it's I slept for like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9 hours, 9 hours plus. Yeah, I slept for 9 hours plus from like to 2 till past 11. I was like 9 hours plus. I wouldn't say that immune booster worked because normally I'm supposed to have 8 good hours sleep, unless my day will just be shitty. Honestly, I don't know how you guys do it, the 6 hour sleepers, because every time that I do that thing, sleep for just 4 hours or 6 hours, I get my eyes twitching most times, and that day is just not going to be what it's supposed to be. So the 8 hours sleep is for me a must. So let me know what your sleeping pattern is. Let me know in the comment section. Are you want to sleep for 10 hours, 11 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours? Let me know in the comment section and let me know why. For today, what I have planned out basically is we've not tried the swimming pool, and I'm hoping to do that. But first off, I need to make videos. Like today, I must make at least 2 videos as I could go. I said for myself today. Today is Sunday, by the way, and happy Sunday to you guys. But just in case you're watching this video on a weekend, or I don't know when I'm going to post the video, but yeah, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday once again. And we're going to go out to eat, I think so, or I don't even know yet, because guys, my vibe for this weekend is just stay at home and lazy around, probably order something, but I'm not so sure. You guys already know that the other time I said I wasn't going to cook, but it turned out that I cooked. And so I'm just not even going to say anything now. Let's see how it goes. If it's German, we're going to Germany together. If not, yeah. So I'll see you guys. Keep on watching. time. Guys, I wanna show you what I'm wearing by now. You can only see messy. Hi.
So guys, I just finished filming a video and I'm not sure when that will be coming up, but it should actually come before this vlog. Yeah, definitely it will come before this vlog. Okay, so this is actually what I'm putting on. So I have my mic underneath. I don't know where I got it, but yeah, I just kind of like how, you know, it sits firm and how the hand is long. Yeah, and that's it. At the point where you're ready to check out, the caretaker comes to inspect the room. If anything, I repeat, anything goes bad, your caution fee of 50,000 naira will be refunded.
Fantastic. Is it our boat has upgraded or what? I've not seen this before.
It's in the region. Is it not what you have that you use?
Okay.
If I have Bugatti now, I can put it on the road.
Oga, please, when you buy Bugatti, can I order you?
I'll charge it times 10.
Oga, I don't care. Charge me, take all my money. Eh? Yes, please buy red. Would you buy red? Red Bugatti.
This route avoids congestion on Expressway 1.
Give me the money, I'll buy it.
I should give you. Okay.
Aside from Lagos and annoying traffic, overall the apartment was worth the 70,000 naira per night spend. Let me know in the comment section if you would ever visit this place. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.